Did you know the Government of India helps homeowners install rooftop solar systems? If you are planning to go solar, this scheme can help you save a lot of money. PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana is a scheme started by the Government of India. It helps eligible homeowners install rooftop solar by reducing the cost through government financial support. You can apply if you own a residential house. Your rooftop should have enough space for solar panels. You should also have an active electricity connection. Always check the latest government rules because the requirements may change. First, register on the official PM Surya Ghar portal. Next, choose an approved solar vendor. After that, the rooftop solar system is installed. After inspection, the subsidy is processed and sent to the eligible homeowner according to the scheme rules. With rooftop solar, you can reduce your monthly electricity bills. You get clean, renewable energy and become less dependent on the electricity grid. With the government subsidy, rooftop solar becomes more affordable for every eligible homeowner. If you're planning to install rooftop solar, understand the PM Surya Ghar Yojana before making your decision. In our next video, we'll explain how much subsidy you can get for different solar system sizes. If you found this video helpful, like and share it with anyone planning to install solar and subscribe to Rengy for more solar tips and updates.